Alright, so basically this is a duplex right there. Right. Right, open the door. So this is a duplex right here. Basically this is like the living room. Right, we have two sofas right here. We have the dining table, bed, and we have the fridge right here and cabinet over there. So when you look out the window, so this is the view, right? And then when you come here, so this is not a view. Literally my phone is outside right now. All right, okay. There is swimming pool over there. So you go up the staircase. So these are the beds. They have this something like a shield, you know, right? So you can open, right, and look down all the way. This is what we call duplex. And then inside here we have the bathroom. It's pretty nice. It's recommended, guys, right? This is pretty nice. So you walk, and then this is a slide door. Okay, slide door over here. This is pretty nice.